Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for lead generation. So we can go how to write cold mail text, use for LinkedIn profile text and message templates. So first of all, what I need you to do guys is go to your devices, and from there I will go to the browsers that you have in it. So for example, for me, I'm using Google Chrome. Now from here, I will go to URL and type this OpenAI, and as you can see, this is the website. Now what I'm going to do is go to the top of the website and click on try. Here we go. So this is the website. Now I need you guys to create an account because this page will not be showed for you at the beginning. So create an account using, for example, email password, or you can just go using your Gmail or Facebook or Twitter account. Now after you open this page, what I need you to do guys is just go here and type write me a cold mail template. Example. So here you go. Introduction to XYZ company and our services. Dear name, my name is, I am the position, it's etc. Company. I came across your company and noticed that you may be in need of our services. As company, we specialize in service that you offer. We have a team of experts with years of experience in etc. And we have proven track record of helping companies like yours achieve their goals. I would love to opportunity to discuss how we can help you with your company. Would it be possible to schedule a call next week to discuss further? Thank you for your time and I look forward to hear from you. So this is like a cold mail that you can use for your own company, etc. You can even give it more details like your company name, what you do, you want to do exactly with this email, and it will change all of this information or all of these text to be specifically fit in your company subjects and goals. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.